Hey guys, today is the 5th of September and we are just 7 days away from the release of the GoPro Hero 12. Welcome back to the channel. Like, subscribe down below. It's free today only, so get it while you can. I want to make a quick video on my thoughts of the GoPro Hero 12, the rumors that are out there, GoPro itself, and DJI and what's going to happen. And I'm afraid, like the title says, GoPro is going to lose its title as the champion of the action cam world this year. And I think DJI, the Action 4, is going to take it. I don't have the Action 4. I've seen a bunch of videos on the Action 4. I've been pretty impressed with what I've seen with low light and all that kind of stuff. I loved the magnet game back in the day with the Action 2 and how it continued on with the Action 3. But I saw the Action 3 had some trouble when it comes to focusing and other issues that people weren't happy about. So I said, you know what, GoPro still has it. And then now with the Action 4, they seem to have got the two together. So they've increased their sensor size. They have the usability side going on with the magnets, and now the image is better. So they kind of put the things together and they come out with a winner with the Action 4. So I expected the GoPro to come out strong. Now, if you saw the pictures that were released, or the leak that came out right when the Action 4 came out from GoPro showing a 1-inch sensor, everyone got really excited for GoPro, and it's like, all right, GoPro's going to take it to the bank on this one, right? But everyone said, hey, wait a minute, dude, there's no way they can make a 1-inch sensor as an action camera and have the focusing and all that kind of stuff unless they've developed some type of miracle to do this. It's going to be a pretty tough job to do autofocusing like that on an action camera. And then they looked at the picture itself that they put out and people kind of debunked it and said it was fake. Okay, so that's disappointing. That's probably not going to happen. So what are they going to do with the GoPro? Increase the sensor size, put a bigger screen on the back, maybe add the magnet game to it to kind of compete with the Action 4? No. What we're seeing right now is just an increase in battery life, which is very minimal. A quarter screw on the bottom that we can get a third-party thing to add on if we wanted to. It puts speckles, pixie dust on top to make it, yeah, that's not even worth talking about. So far, basically a GoPro Hero 11, from what we can tell. There's lots of leaks out there. Amazon released it. Somebody put it on eBay for sale. If we're all being trolled by GoPro, then well done, GoPro. And then when you release the camera on the 12th or whatever it is, just knock us out with the, like, fooled you guys. I don't think they would do that because they're losing sales in the meantime, but maybe it's a way to do it to wow people. Come out with a fake, mediocre, possible release and then wow us in the end. Maybe. You ask, why do I say they're going to lose their status? Well, let's look at the past, how it all came around. You had GoPro back in the day with the 1, 2, 3, and 4, just developing the action cam world. Sony jumped in the game for a little while, then they got out. And then GoPro didn't have too much of competition at all, really. So then fast forward, the DJI came out with the Osmo Action. Everyone was very surprised about that camera. I bought it back in the past, and I did like it a lot. Then GoPro kind of upped their game with their Hyper Smooth and 1, 2, 3, 4, and whatever it is now. And then DJI kind of went off the path with the Action 2, kind of make their product look a little bit different, more of a POV style camera, but it didn't really compete with this guy here. So this is built for more of the true what it was, an action camera to get wet, slammed around on the back of skateboards, surfboards, cars, all that kind of stuff. Getting muddy, getting dirty. And that wasn't what the Action 2 was. So they came back to their roots of the Action 3, but they had trouble with the focusing issues and other stuff like that. So GoPro still was rocking it, man. It's the title king. I love the colors of the GoPro better. I like the 5K better than the 4K that the Action 3 had. But the Action 4 came around and they put a bigger sensor in it. Now the 4K looks really good, especially in low light. It looks really, really good. So I was nervous for GoPro, and then these rumors came out, and I'm really nervous now. So my prediction, if the rumors are true, and this is a basically lame release, GoPro has lost their status as the king of the action camera, and now DJI as that market too, which is disappointing for an American company that I hope to support to lose that kind of status. So maybe they wow us, maybe they don't. Maybe they make it up with the 13. I don't know. But GoPro's gonna have a hard time selling the Action 12 this go around, I think. It's sad. It's not over yet. Let's play ball on the 12th and see what they come out with. Hopefully it knocks us off our feet. GoPro, I wish you luck. Like, subscribe down below. We'll talk about that again when it comes out. Maybe I'll get it. Maybe I won't. I just keep the 11 and be happy with it. If I didn't have this channel, I would definitely just keep the Action 11. But gotta make some content somewhere, right?
Quarter screw in the bottom. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow, you guys are really pushing it.